Another way for a business owner to further reduce risk in their company is to put in place what's called a key man life insurance policy. And yes, it's another life insurance policy, but it serves a different purpose. And there's three main reasons why you would want to have a key man insurance policy in your company. The first one would be to cover the loss of a key employee. This would be a business owner. It would be your top sales guy. It would be if you're the silent partner and he's the operational guy, the other partner, and he's doing all the work in the business and he's making everything happen and he's the day-to-day guy, he's the guy that you would want to insure, because if something happened to him, the business is going to have a loss, and you don't want that to happen because the business value is going to go down, the revenue is going to go down, the cash flow is going to be hurt, and lots of problems could happen. But if you had $1 million, $2 million, $3 million cash going back into the business, it could help sustain the business during that time, and even help train, recruit, and hire another employee to take their place. The second reason why you'd want to have a key man insurance policy in place is for getting a loan for the business. Now, a lot of times the owner of the business, they don't want to put the business up as collateral, or they don't want to put the building or the assets up as collateral. But if you have a life insurance policy, the bank will see that as collateral for the loan. You buy the life insurance policy, the business owns it, it's on the business owner, and you put a collateral assignment on it. And if something were to happen to the owner of the business, the bank gets paid off first, and then whatever's left goes back into the business. But that way the bank will give you a loan if you have that life insurance in place, because they know they're going to get paid if something bad were to happen. And the third reason to have a key man insurance policy is to sustain the value of the company. Now, if something happened to a key employee or a top earner and people see that, the revenue could drop because the cash flow may not be there. But having that insurance in place helps you level out the value of the business, because there's cash flow coming in. You can sustain things. You don't have to cut employees. You don't have to lay off people in their jobs. You could actually push forward instead of going backwards if something were to happen to one of those key employees. So there's lots of different ways to put something in place, but it's a further way to reduce risk so you can focus on what you're good at, which is running the business and taking all the what ifs out of the business. So I hope this helps. And today's Friday. I hope you have a great Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. And we'll talk to you guys real soon.